What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today I give you my review on the Playseat Evolution Alcântara. And for those of you who follow my reviews, these are sold from Costco. I love products from Costco because everyone loves products from Costco. So you know it'll be a good product and you know it will rent. Let's get into it. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I have a party rental business that started right here in my house. I've since moved to a warehouse. And if you look back on my videos and possibly become a subscriber, you'll be able to see my progress since pretty much day one. But I'm here at home with these chairs. They're too fun not to test out at home. So let's do it. They don't really advertise these bad boys to go with the Switch Pro wheel, but they can. They also pair nicely with basically every other gaming wheel out there and virtual reality. As you've noticed, I have Mario Kart wheels hooked up to them that just did a simple modification to that, and I'll show you how I did it. If you've watched my videos before, you know they go from boring to exciting, boring to exciting, boring to exciting. So make sure and watch the whole video so that you can get all of the exciting. All right, let's crack them open. Okay, so it comes with all the tools that you need. All right, so 3 tools. It comes with them all. This high quality little wrench and 2 Allen keys, 2 different sizes.
Oh, this is so much better than just playing with controllers. Okay, yeah, I'm at 4. Not doing too well with that.
I recommend these for about ages 10 and up. My son is 9, and yeah, he plays it very well, but he has to sit on a pillow and put a pillow behind him to reach the pedals at the lowest setting. However, they do have a sliding attachment for $69 that you can get. I just haven't got it yet, so if you do have someone that's blah, 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 blah. So for those of you who came here from the parts of my channel that deal with the rental company stuff, my main thought process behind this is I'm going to start renting these bad boys out. They're mobile chairs that people can have for parties. Why don't they just hook it up to their own Switch or PS4 or Xbox, and all of a sudden they have a racing game that they can do with their friends. And if it doesn't go through, then my kids have something cool to play with. So playing Mario Kart on these bad boys has probably been the most fun and most rewarding. I like Mario Kart, my kids like Mario Kart, but I just couldn't get over the whole PlayStation VR kind of virtual experience, sitting in the car and then having the headset on and being able to look around while you're driving. So I went and picked up a PSVR, which works with both Ps4 and Ps5 right now. So I didn't want to spend too much money, so I just got a Ps4, and it works absolutely fine with that. And I think it's going to be a great way to market it, just showing the VR headsets with it, so it doesn't look just like a chair that just has Mario. Even though I think Mario is the better option for light gaming. And by light gaming, I mean light gamers who want to just try it out for the weekend or just rent it to have their birthday party. Light gamers who don't want to go out and buy a chair, but they'll definitely rent it. Mario Kart. So here's one of the ads that I made to advertise it on my website, so hopefully people will start booking this as a rental. All in all, I'm very happy with my purchase. I spent about $1,000 on the chairs. They were about $500 a piece Canadian from Costco. The Mario Kart wheels were about $125 each. The PS4 and the PS4 VR were about $1,000. And then I bought 2 other gaming wheels, which for PS4 and Xbox, which were a couple $100 each. All in all, I'm about $2,500 deep, and I think I'll be able to get my return investment. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one. As always, you stay classy.